the United Nations General Assembly has put together ultimately international laws that revolve around ammo stockpiling, specifically and including small arms ammo stockpiling. Well, what's all this mean? Well, ultimately what's taken place is what's referred to as an open-ended working group, or an OEWG, got together on ammo stockpiling. They say to prevent explosions, specifically in war-torn areas. Well, this becomes international law, making it internationally illegal to stockpile ammo. Now, the NRA and major ammo manufacturers have been fighting against this, but ultimately their quote is they're saying it's inevitable. It is definitely taking place. They'll continue to fight it, but it's happening. Ultimately, it's a foregone conclusion. Now, what the UN's report says when it comes to, well, how much ammo is stockpiling? Well, there is no definitive answer to that, but they are quoted as saying, literally, a 25-round box could constitute stockpiling. So what does this mean for us? Because this is the UN and we're in America. Well, ultimately what it means is it would be internationally illegal to have more than 25 rounds of ammo on you. If for some reason you find yourself in a war situation, so if there was any kind of war that was going to break out on the grounds or on the land of the United States, and you have more than 25 rounds on you, well, now you're a war criminal potentially. This is ultimately the UN trying to globally regulate you and me. And it is not okay. It is definitely not okay, because obviously if we don't have more than 25 rounds of ammo on us, then our guns are useless. It's international gun regulation through ammo regulation is ultimately what you're looking at. So again, what's referred to as the open-ended working group of the United Nations General Assembly is making it illegal to stockpile ammo anywhere in the world. With the exception of military groups and that sort of thing. But again, the NRA, as well as major ammo manufacturers, are fighting this, but they said it's a foregone conclusion. Will this ever affect you? I don't know. Any insight you got on that, definitely put that below. But the UN saying you can't have more than 25 rounds of ammo on you, or you're a war criminal. Put it in the comments below if you have any insight. Like this video, click like and subscribe. Feel called to support this channel with Patreon. That link is also below. But the most important part of this channel, we take prayer requests. So please don't ever hesitate to send that in. Thank you for watching this episode of God, Family, and Guns. And as always, love God, love your family, love guns.